Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 6 in my 10 looks using one palette series using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm doing look number 6 in my 10 looks using one palette series. I'm going to go in and prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. I haven't used this in a while. So I just primed my eyes and set them with a little bit of translucent powder. First picking up Weekender on this Alamar blending brush. I'm going to lay that down as a transition shade. I think I'm going to use Guilt Trip today, so that purple shimmer. Once I have that blended out, I am going to take this Morphe R37 and pick up Still Shot. There really are only a couple different transition shade options, so it makes it kind of hard. Pretty much go in with the same two to start every single look. I'm just kind of blending that out into the crease. I really do like these shadows because they are so easy to blend. I'm going to pick up Hell Ride. I'm going to focus that on the outer corner and I will lightly blend that into the crease. I think I'm going to end up adding a little bit of black to the outer corner once I get the lid shades on. Taking a clean fluffy brush, this is just a Wet n Wild blending brush, just blending out those edges. Just building and blending that color. Next, taking a couple little packing brushes and a setting spray. First, I'm going to pick up Breakaway and spray that. And I'm going to focus that on the inner third. Okay, once I have Breakaway on the inner third of the eye, I'm going to take another packing brush, picking up Guilt Trip and spraying that. I have not even swatched this color yet. And I'm going to pack that on the center of the eye. I'm going to try it with my finger. Using my finger was a lot easier to get that. And taking Breakaway and just blending it over. Next, on a small fluffy brush, this is the Curie Cosmetics blending brush. I'm going to take Hell Ride and Jet. And then going in one more time with Guilt Trip on my finger and bringing that back to the center. So taking that second brush, picking up Still Shot and blending out the very edges. Then I'm just going to pop on mascara, lashes. I'm going to go finish up the rest of my makeup and I will be right back to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I'm just going to finish up this eye look really quick. So I'm going to take this Morphe M432 and take Hell Ride. Push that right next to the waterline. And I left the very inner corner bare. Then I'm going to take Still Shot on this Morphe E18 and just smoke that out. Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild On Edge Longwearing eye pencil in You're the Yin, and then popping on some mascara. Then taking this Morphe M213 and taking Breakaway, that on the inner corner and right under the brow. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is look number 6 in my 10 looks using one palette series. I like how this eye look turned out. I didn't know where I was gonna go with it. This palette's kind of hard because it has color, but then it doesn't have enough transition shades or matte shades that go with the color to help deepen the outer corner and make the whole look cohesive. So that's kind of interesting, trying to put looks together using this palette. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions or color combos that you want me to use out of this palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. I did film this face makeup, so if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.